my god. PP is down. Great. I think it's time to start a new colony indeed. Oh no, Linda is dead too. Welcome to RimWorld, thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Who do you think you are? No! What am I doing? What am I? It's fine. Okay. Yeah. We're in pretty much not fine. What? Did we just wait? What? What's this? Totally normal fix this game. Let's see what will happen now. Oh. Oh, now we'll go. Okay. Oh, that was. Well. Oh no! What happened? I'm just. Cannot close door. Be careful. Okay, what if we close door? Sense of ownership. Wait a minute. Oh, I still have the cultivator. Well, that's what it did. The randomness of that too. No, hipster fall. Stop, 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 stop. No, no. See, this was maybe not a great idea. Excuse me. Can I have your egg, please? Thank you. Two even. Oh, four! Oh goodness, how did that happen? How did that happen? Oh, wait, can I jump on it? Oh, no! Oh shit. Oh shit!
Hey, 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 hey! That rolling pin is not a...
Hang on, I can learn languages, okay? Arr. 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 See, I think I communicated with. Are you Strat? Oh no. This is art. This is art. This is. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're just gonna have to wait. I have to stretch for. I accomplish this. I don't want to. Okay, what? Can I? Meow. Hey. Dude. Hello, everyone. Hi. Let me just turn on some music. Here we go. Welcome in, Future Boy. Holy heck. Gifting a sub to tier 3 sub to Weasel, and then also resubbing at tier 3 yourself. What the heck? Thank you so much, Future Boy. I really, really, really appreciate it. It's incredibly kind of you. And very generous, and just thank you. Welcome in. I hope you're well. Pat, welcome in as well. I hope you are well as well. Hello, everyone. I hope that your day is going well. It's going well. How's it going here? I've been a bit nervous today. I don't know why, but well, I've been I've been thinking backwards. Maybe it has to do with the fact that it's getting warmer outside, but that means that, well, the heating here works based on the temperature outside. So I figured that you know, I cannot get it any warmer than like 17.5 Celsius, which is a bit annoying, but you know, didn't do anything. It wasn't you. Of course it wasn't. Of course it wasn't. Of course it wasn't. Well, thank you for thank you anyway. And I hope you continue to enjoy your emotes. It was Gertie. Grady Ghost. Wait, let me just the Grady as well. Right, yeah. So yeah, it's a bit cold here, so I hope the tea will help a bit. But other than that, I really like the weather. It's a lot more sunny than it was. So I think that spring is coming actually. Seems like it at least, which is nice. Spring's my favorite season, so so I'm very happy about that. And then also cycling is happening again. So that was, well, so yeah. On Monday, of course, I took a very high dose of my meds, and then, or like the dose that I usually, or that I used to do, well, but then years ago, and then, so that wasn't really smart of me to do that immediately. So I didn't really sleep the night after that, and then so on Tuesday I didn't stream because of that. But I did cycle, and it was fun. But it was also very, very rough, and like my average heart rate was like 180 or something. So that was not great. Well, I suppose that was okay. It was just like felt a bit. Oh well, Garmin said overreaching, of course, but you know, yeah, it was. But it was nice. And tomorrow, then I'll do another round. But it's nice to go outside and, you know, like the sun actually shining and everything. Officially spring is there in 2 weeks, but winter's not over until the last snowfall in May. Last snowfall in May? Wait. In May? That's like very late. Like we sometimes have snow here in April, but I don't think in May. There can be a lot of rain here in May though. I don't know, just well, yeah. Rain is also winter thing here, but yeah, so not really a lot of snow.
Salutations.
Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. Lots of cycling this weekend. So not then getting a new way for me, you know. True. Well, he's never getting any weight, but yeah, no, I'm not sure if I will cycle every day because, well, I don't know, my zone 2 is not really up to par yet, but so hi Super Vegeta, hi, welcome in. How's it going? Hello. But yeah, no, well, and on Sunday, my dad has his birthday, so I'll be going there, but then I might cycle in the morning. I don't know. I'll have to see. But yeah. 5:04 in the morning. Oof. Is there like any reason that sleep is difficult, or is that the time that you have to like wake up for work or something? Getting a cold. Oof. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, insomnia. I'm sorry. That sucks. That's really bad. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope that there will be some, like, you know, somewhere this week you will get a little bit of better sleep, hopefully. Yeah, double kill, right, yeah. Hi, Woody. Hi, welcome in. How are you? Hello, hello. How's it going? How's your cycling going, Woody? I hope that it's, I've seen a lot of good stuff, huh? I just continue to be impressed by what you do. Oh, California, right. Wait, but is California on that West Coast? Or is that, wait, I'm confused. Double checking Strava, right. Curious. I hope you're well, Woody. It's good to see you. You don't know your coast. I thought that California was, well, I mean, I'm not like, I've never been in the United States, so I wouldn't, you know, like, I'm not gonna like European explain you probably. How does West Coast, right? Hi, Selmar, welcome in. How are you? 94.13 kilometers. 1,575 meters of, like, that's the elevation, right? Nice. Holy moly. You leaving for your event tomorrow? Oh, yeah. Awesome. Oh, that's so fast already. Time flies. Holy moly. Awesome. Wait, so where is that? What, as in, like, is that far away from home? Awesome, though. Doing all right. Typing through the day, huh? 5 hour drive, right? Somewhere I'm doing all right. I'm a bit cold. The heater is not working well with the warm temperatures outside, or just ish, I suppose. Warm-ish. But it was like 13 when I was. Wait, hang on. It's supposed to be 16. Wait, is that now? Let me just wait. Why would I check on my phone if I can check on the computer? Just need to sleep. Yeah. So that's something that's really easy to force, right? It's annoying. Wait. There. Like I'm usually blessed with good sleep, I suppose. But then, you know, on Monday on Tuesday, basically, that was bad. Like, I was awake for an hour at least. It's 16 degrees right now. Well, 16.7. So, well, warm. Warm. Nice, though. Yeah, it's hurting like crazy. Oh, super fatigued. I'm sorry to hear that. Hugsies. You're currently packing your bag of clothes and sorting out nutrition for the weekend. Right. Yeah, that's a thing, right? Was to wait for the 9070 XD to be available to purchase. Right. Wait, is it's coming out today? I'm sitting next to the heater. Yeah, and it's not. It's like it's not warm. It's also not necessarily cold, but it's like. I would say it's like on the first, you know, it's like, no, it's not working. It's not actually giving off any actual heat, it seems, which is annoying. It's like a good day to program and get that PC to compile ASAP. Yeah, maybe we get to write some code today. Who knows? Well, it did say that it was recommended, I think, to use the unit. No, what was it? Unity? The thing without the code. But I think we do need to use C++ because we need to communicate to Firebot, right? So I don't think we can do that with like the software of. It's not Unity. It's, I don't know what it is. I forget. We installed so many things on Monday, like I forget. You're under your long ass blanket. You're feeling tired. That's good. That's good. That's good. I hope that you can. I hope that you can relax enough to just chill out and you know, hopefully drift to sleep soon. Have a good lurk. In that sense. Or if you're lurking, of course. In about 15 minutes, right? Release 1 a.m. your time. Okay. Huh. Exciting. Exciting. Wait, and so when you're leaving tomorrow, right? Yeah. So that's tomorrow? Exciting! Exciting, Woody. You're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be amazing. Hi, Dance. Hi, welcome in. Hi, CKY, welcome in. How does? Doing well. How are you, CKY? Am I doing what? Well, I always second guess myself when it comes to like whenever I answer that. I never really. I'm like, wait, am I actually? But you know, it doesn't really matter, I suppose. Gerald, top song of the year. You're Skywalker right now. Skywalker. I don't know that one. Skywalker? By is that like the name of the song? Right. Is it by Miguel and Travis Scott? That's all I can find. Ah, I see. Okay. Tomorrow's technically today, so it's Friday now at 11 past 12. Woody, it's exciting. How early do you have to leave? Nice, Super Vegeta, nice. That's my top song of the year. I don't know. I don't really listen to new music. I'm very much like I don't really listen to new music. I don't know. Dire Straits will always be top for me, I think. Or Mark Knopfler. Yeah. How do allows for an out so if you don't, you can still say you do because you're yeah, fair CKY. Yeah, there's like, yeah, well, you can overthink it, right? Like there's a way to overthink everything, of course, but like, I don't know. It's there's not always a need to overthink. I guess that in a way I do overthink those things because I want to what was the word for this? I guess I want to justify stuff, justify my behavior, justify my, like, I don't know. And that's something that I've been feeling like I need to do because I've not been online a lot lately, and I'm actually very much enjoying it. I've just been reading a lot and just, you know, spending time with people here and like coffee and having dinner and, you know, just, and also going outside, cycling, spending time with Gendo. And I just see how social Twitch is in general, as in like I feel sort of like I need to be online all of the time, but I just don't want to. I really like just spending time like this with you all and just hanging out and you know, streaming like this. And I also like being on Discord in a way, although I'm not very good at Discord. But other than that, I feel like computers are so conceptual. And so, like, I don't know, overstimulating. Overstimulating is definitely one of those things. I find it very difficult, especially on Twitch, to decide where I go and to decide which stimuli I let in and which I don't. And so that makes it difficult to yeah. I guess I find it difficult to deal with the anxiety that comes from it. You're carpooling. You got to be at a mate's around 11:45 a.m. Right. Oh, that's not so bad. That's a pretty good time. I suppose, at least. Only song person, right? Yeah, same. You're stuck in Angular hell. Oh no, Zikiwai, what are you doing? What are you working on? Hi Blake, hi, welcome in. How's it going? Hello, hello. You're getting out cycling itch with this kind of weather, right? You have to resist to stay in shape for the last ice skating training. Oh, that's tomorrow, right? Right. Well, but then after tomorrow, you can, like, in the weekend, you can do some nice cycling then, right? Yeah, Blake, sorry. I had my last emotional regulation training last night, and it well, because it was the last time it went a little longer. It went on a little longer than was planned. So I was late home, and then, you know, so and then I was so tired because of all of the, like, I was very overstimulated of that as well because of that. So I was like, well, I am not going to turn on my computer now anymore. So yeah. But I hope to be there on Monday. I miss Chris raid leading. Chris is good at raid dealing, isn't he? But then now he actually has to, because now Smobile is gone. I hope you had a good time though, Blake. I read that you're at the last boss already. That's awesome. I hope that I can be there on Monday. You need some coffee when you wake up later. That sounds like a good idea. Super Vegeta. Yeah, yeah. You need coffee more than ever. You think so? Right now, or just like daily? You mean, or? That's why you hang out in the chill whiskey bar vibe streams, right? Oh, you broke tags. Oh, you did? Wait. Like tags as in? Oh yeah, yeah. I read the sort tags, right? Wait, no, I don't have it here. But you mean sort tags, I think, right? Oh, that's the Flans Hour. Nice, awesome. I feel like people would gamble more if Uno had their own gambling table. Wait, what? Uno, as in like the game Uno? You have a fix, but you don't like it. It's just adding a band-aid rather than fixing the underlying issue. Right. I haven't actually looked at, like, I've approved, or I've merged a few, well, very simple PRs that you made, like, I don't know, the other day. But then I haven't really looked at this type of stuff yet. Well, yet, meaning that, you know, I've been up to date with that. But I'm sure you'll figure it out, CQY. Finding the issues where you're stuck. Right. Oh, so it's difficult to find, like, what is actually going wrong then. You actually didn't know the tactics for any of the bosses. Surprising. Smobile. Well, in that sense, like, it's difficult to beat, or to match Smobile there with preparation, because Smobile is very good at the preparation part. Oh, it's daily. Right. Yeah. I mean, could be a dopamine issue. I don't know. I find that I need more coffee whenever my dopamine levels are low, or especially low, basically. Yeah. Just walking home from dropping off Fifi. Going to buy some lunch to take home with you for from a nice gluten-free place. Oh, that's awesome, Blake. Nice. Hope you enjoy it. Angular obscures the backend, right? Mm-hmm. There's more smash into the boss until it dies. Pretty much, yeah. The whole tactic is just don't die, right? That's the whole thing. As long as you don't die, the boss will die. Like, you know, as long as you stay alive until the boss is dead, that's all you need to do. It's getting your last nurse, and you also use extra creamer, right? You have a fresh cup, but you need another. Cup 2 of the day. Wait, but is it early for you? No, it's not very early for you, is it? But then again, you also have insomnia, right, CKY? So like, can imagine that there's, you know, you're also online on moments that people in your area are usually maybe not online. Oh, 7. Oh, right. I'm miscalculating stuff. We should kind of want to look at, or like continuing the whole thing with well, with the mod and everything. But we'll see. Yeah, you're on at all hours. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, the thing with the thingamabob. Exactly. Gonna keep packing and organizing stuff. Still lurks on PC. Alrighty, Woody. Good luck. And if we, you know, if we don't talk to each other again, before you go, then have a fantastic event. I hope you have a. I'm sure you'll do great, but enjoy and good luck. And I'm very proud of you. The worst sleep you've ever got. Oh no, Super Vegeta, I'm sorry to hear that. Have a good lurk though. And Woody too. How better to get did I at least get a game plan and a flowchart? No. Flowcharts? Why would I use flowcharts? I should probably, but I don't know. I'm just winging stuff, I suppose. I don't know. Let me just. Yay, flowcharts. Hang on. Okay, I need it. I used the timer for in Steam, but now I don't have Steam open, so need to find a different timer. My class diagram. Ew, stop. Stop. Hi, Cyberbuddy. Hi, welcome in. Flowchart for cycle tracking? I don't know what you're talking about. I generally don't know. Wait, cycle track. So I'm this makes me think of you know, tracking a bike on the road, basically. Yeah, sure, Shikima. Yeah, that's fine. Wait, let me just first get like, I'll just do my phone timer. Who cares? I don't know. I will probably. I don't know if I get intimidated by organizing and everything. I usually just wing it. Or wing it, but I just start, you know. I'm not really the type of person that like does a lot of planning beforehand. I might whenever I get more like when I get more like like better or, you know, more experienced, I suppose. But right now I'm just like, I wouldn't know what to do with it anyway. You want to play your mobile game, but your brain will hurt from reading your character's kit. Right. Maybe you should not do it then. And just, you know, maybe, I don't know. It's, yeah, difficult. Class, sequence, object, activity, state, timing, get all the... Ew, stop. Stop. We're not actually working here, I think. Hi, Ismail. Welcome in. How are you? Last time Pa used the class diagram was in college. Wait, how long ago is that? Oh, that's 09. Oh, that's a long time ago. I did use class diagrams for Firebot as well, I think. Oh, what happened there? Sorry, Vagilis. Oh, that's the, yeah. Bot has a difficult... Wait, hang on. Let me just... I should probably start using the nightly for Firebot because I wanted to I made like a an allow list for like a whitelist basically for URLs and everything, so that I don't have to use like a role for it. But now I started Firebot just in 5.63 instead of the def one. Yeah, you're almost there, Vagilis. 3 hours. 3 hours left, and then you can like I don't know. Or next time if I, you know, remember to start the dev or to use the dev bot instead of the release one, then, you know. But Vicky's hi, welcome in. How's it going? Uh 5,189, Salmar. I don't know what your actual hours are, but close, maybe. I don't know. You can install a nightly on Linux using native packaging. Oh, nice. If only I used Linux, Pat. If only I wasn't like a dumb Windows developer. Well, I am not a no, I'm not a developer, so, you know. No, I won't use it. No, I'm fine with Windows. I think. I'm also not necessarily sure if I want to change, you know. I am scared. I am scared of change. Oh well. You didn't say shamelessly self-promo your edition. You can always self-promo your edition. You can absolutely be proud of that. Run from source, CKY. Wait, from source? You mean just npm? You mean thing? Or what? I don't know. Because that's what I sometimes do. I just anyway. My brain's a bit slow, it seems. Linux installs for next 3K. Yeah. Wait, how would that work? Are you running debug? Oh, like that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Windows is nice. Yeah, I like it, SMO. Yeah. I don't know, like most devs like, you know, a lot of devs like Linux. And I mean, I just don't have a lot of experience with it. So, you know. Have I programmed before, Esmo? Yeah, I have. Well, it depends on what you call programming. Some people think Node.js doesn't count, or any kind of JS. But yeah, no, I do have experience. Yeah, a little. Oh, meeting. Good luck, Salmar. Good luck. Hi, schoolboy hacker. Hi, welcome in. Were I several years not on Twitch? No, I wasn't. No, I've been away from Twitch for a while. I returned last September. But yeah, no, before that, I had a break of like 3 years. I wasn't even, I thought I would never come back either. Until I was like, well, maybe I want to come back at some point. And so I did. And well, here we are. So, but welcome back as well. Hope you're well. You say there's someone who works for a Linux company who uses Linux as primary work OS. Who uses Linux as primary work OS. Use whatever makes you productive. Doesn't matter if it's Windows, Mac, Linux, or whatever. Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah. For me, it's Windows used to be more difficult when it came to like development stuff. Like Linux was actually a lot better. There was also a lot more documentation on it, right? And these days, it's just Windows is actually nice for it as well. Oh, I'm glad to hear that, Super Vegeta. I hope you can get some sleep. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you have a good lurk, and I hope you can get some nice sleep. It's good having you here. You have since you were 12, so you mostly know C#. Right now, you're making a game in Raylib. I don't know what Raylib is. What is that? And you, Super Vegeta. Has script in the name. You're not sure it counts as coding or scripting either. Yeah, no, yeah. Makes sense. Makes sense. It has Java in it, so coffee. I don't know. Doesn't count. The question you love is, you want to learn programming. Wait. I want to learn programming. What language? And folks are bad when you say logic. Wait, I don't think I understand what you're saying, CKY. C# and the .NET environment as a whole is a heck of a gateway direct to development. Is it? Oh, it's a library in C. Okay. Good to know. Okay, so last thing we did was cloning the Git repo. But I forgot where we okay. We did that. So I guess project setup is the next one. What was WYs again? Was that the annoying sound thing? I suppose we do need that. Speaking of switching from Windows to Linux, you must swap out laptops from home laptop to work laptop. Alrighty, Van. Good luck. Have we already done this? I'm unsure. No, we haven't, I think. Okay, so what is this? Let's see. We did the getting started thing in general, I think. No, have we? We installed the dependencies. That was a lot. That took us the entire day, the entire stream. Wait, the starter project. That's what we also did. And off goes the hat. Right, so I guess yeah. Now you've installed all of the prerequisite software and got a copy of the starter project, it's time to start setting the project up. Okay. I'm not a returning Satisfactory modder. Okay, I always get a little bit intimidated by such a large amount of text. I'm focused on the language, focused on the way logic works, like if or loop or how they correlate. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that's a good base. I think you're gonna switch to Linux once Windows 10 gets killed by Microsoft. You hate Windows 11. Really? What do you hate about it? I think I chat about like the autocomplete in Visual Studio, I suppose. But better as it can like read what you did before and give a good what you want to do right, so you can write it faster. Oh, when you want to write, so you can write it faster. Right. Oh, cool. That's cool. That's cool, Esmo. Hi, Rizzy. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? When 10 goes down, you keep playing on Windows 11. On a new PC, but switch your current PC to Linux for work. That makes sense. Yeah. That makes sense. Awesome. How's it going, Rizzy? It's good to see you. No, don't worry about it, SML. Don't worry about it. SML 3.10 expands modding capabilities, adds developer utilities, and fixes some bugs. Mods compiled for SML 3.9 will work with SML 3.10 in most cases, but CPP mods using specific features may need to be tweaked or recompiled to avoid crashes. No engine updates are required, but a starter project update is. Oh. Well, that's good timing then. Let me just wait, where did it go? Hang on. It's here, right? Yeah, I don't. Okay, wait, hang on. Fetch. Ah, there we go. Look, where's my current branch? Pulling. Oh, that's nice that we because we didn't actually start yet, so it's nice that we that now the update is there and that we haven't started before and that we then had to like, I don't know. It's good that we haven't started yet. Welcome back, Pat. Welcome back. WWise an audio and sound system used by Satisfactory, and setting it up requires to get your is required to get your modding environment working. Setting up WWise can be confusing, but we'll talk you through the steps here. Oh no. Oh no. Be sure to follow only the steps listed here. WWise will often present you with lots of additional messages that look like errors and wordings but can be safely ignored. Oof. Sounds great. If part of the setup process fails for you, it is most likely this step. Oh. If you have errors completing the setup process, come back here and make sure you follow these steps correctly. Okay. We'll go and relax with some making of your program. Alrighty, SMO. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. Good luck and have fun. Integrate WWise with the project. Start the WWise launcher. I think we have that somewhere, right? Yeah. Okay. That you installed earlier and update the launcher if prompted. Unreal Engine tab. That one. No projects found. Do not click any of the update buttons. Are there update buttons then? I don't see it. Oh, well, here's it. Okay. No clicking there. Satisfactory requires a specific version of, or, oh, wait, does that mean that they do mean this one, right? There's not an update button here, I think. Satisfactory requires a specific version of WIS to work, and updating can prevent your mod from working correctly. Okay. Click on the open other button. Oh, well, first we need to know what we need to do after that. Select the factory game.u project file containing your starter project folder. Okay. Wait. What did it say? Factory game, this one. Just I suppose that this one is one. Okay. Your projects should now appear in the WIS launcher. In case you have multiple projects listed, click the triangle button to expand the details. This one. And ensure the Unreal project path matches the path to your project. File not found? Oh. Wait, why not? Doesn't have a Satisfactory Modloader WIS project folder. Interesting. I'm not sure if that's like, maybe that's one of those one of those errors that they mention. Integrate. Okay. You know what? Let me just put this here and then this one over there. That's easier. Okay. Change the integration version. Latest to all. .22.1. Was that one? Yeah. And then 10.8393. Okay. Version number may have additional numbers on the end of it. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's good. No, this is fine. Doesn't show. Yeah, well, we have it. We have it. Can I click the light button at the top? Is there a light button at the top? Oh, here. Hopefully I will publish my source. They might port the project to another bot or two. Oh, you mean, well, yeah, I might. If we if we get it to work at all. I mean, we're not even working on it yet, right? We're still in the preparation process. Which bots though? Curious. Wait, okay. Missed a required component. As part of the WIS installation, may show a yellow warning box indicating what's missing, as well as a button to modify the installation. do you mean yellow? Blue? I guess I don't miss anything. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wait, the following supported platforms were detected: Linux, Microsoft Windows, Visual Studio 2019, 2022. Wait, sorry, Sika, I need to... Okay, never mind. I was just curious if the color would change. Hi, Bray, welcome in. How's it going? Reading stream, basically, yeah. Yeah, I thought at this point we would just start, but then we still get this, like, WY's thing. And I'm not sure, like, I'm trying to understand, like, well... I'm not as focused as I was on Monday, unfortunately. So this will take a bit longer, probably. How are you doing, Bray? It's good to see you. Gonna write in just another day, I suppose. Just another day, right? Yeah, yeah. At a certain point, days are just days, right? Which I guess in a way is okay, but you know, unless you're actively fighting the regularity, or like the, what's the word? The rut of it, I suppose. But yeah, no, I'm all right. Well, we're trying to like get this. I guess I have no clue what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm just you know, I'm trying to actively like figure out what I'm doing. Okay, well, this is not relevant, I suppose. Please select a valid WY's project. Need to know what we're doing before doing the doing, I suppose. Yeah. Usually you do. Oh man, the amount of things that I've done where I was just like, well, I don't care what I like, you know, I'll just do it, and then I, you know, I forget, like I just don't actually understand what I'm doing. And then it was like, well, if you actually read, then you would have figured it out, but you know, just can't be bothered. Could not find an installation. Yeah, this one, I suppose. You have not selected the correct version as stated above. I have, though, haven't I? Or what does it mean? There. Oh. New project? Oh, man. Okay. The below video demo may select a version that does not match what is written above. Okay, oh, well, that's fine. That's fine. I did use that one. Okay, that's that. If everything worked according to plan, you should now be able to click on the blue integrate button. Yes. Do so and agree to the terms to start the process. Okay. Are we gonna read this? Wait, how many? There's a lot of terms apparently. Of each tab. How many? Oh, that's not, well, five of them. This one's short. Okay. There we go. It's working, it seems. WY shows operation completed successfully. Have integrated WYs into your project. Okay, nice. Cool. If you encounter checksum error during WY's integration, installing another WY's version similar in version number should fix the problem. Okay, well, let's just hope that doesn't work, or that doesn't happen. You kind of get annoyed with the amount of times you had to undo and redo things. Yeah, fair. Yeah. Makes sense. Okay, that seems fine. Next, we'll use WYs to generate some empty data to avoid the Unreal Engine editor crashing later on. Okay, there are so many things that we've installed, and I have no clue what is what and where I would need to, like, you know. I was hoping it would be a little bit simpler, because whenever, you know, I was doing some World of Warcraft modding, like for myself, but that was like a while ago, and it was just as simple as just, you know, writing a few files and putting them in the add-ons folder, and then, you know, and then that was it. You know, well, you had to reload, of course, or sometimes relog because it would need to actually load the add-on. But yeah, that's installing more typing. Yeah. Okay, well, it's completed. That's nice. Let's put a new subfolder in the startup project directory. There we go. There it is. That's that one. Inside here, find this one, I suppose. No, wait, hang on. Artist validation cache. I don't know what that means, but I suppose that they mean this one. Just double checking the. Yeah, okay. Opening will launch the WY's editor application. Loads of text, accept. Oh, hello. Okay. This seems great. The Project Explorer tab. Okay, I want to actually put this here. Maybe you can figure out what each of this program does and just make one thing that does it all. That would be well, that's the I don't think I can do that, Bray. I'm pretty sure I cannot do that. If only. Hi, Blake. Welcome back. What am I up to? I'm trying to learn to make a mod for Satisfactory that I will link to Firebot, which is the chatbot I use for streaming. But we're we're still in the phase of just, you know, preparation. Okay, sound banks. What are sound banks? Okay, we open this. Find the Project Explorer tab. That's this one. Select the sound banks subtab. Okay. Right click on the top level folder and click generate sound banks for all platforms. All platforms. Okay. Pop-up should open stating completed with messages. Yes. Okay. There's the WYS editor and WYS launcher applications as they are no longer needed for completing project setup. Okay, good. Bye. Do I want to save my project? Sure. And close this one as well. Fixit does not waste. You will be penalized for all unnecessary lines of code. Oof. Oof. Generate Visual Studio files. Okay, well, I guess we'll need to open Visual Studio. Contingency. What's contingency again? Just looking that up. Backup, right. A future event of circumstance which is possible but cannot be predicted with certainty. Okay, my brain does not compute that. Okay. Sign in, I can do that. We want dark. Development settings. Visual C++? I guess. JavaScript, just use JavaScript, right? Running 2 lines of power from a generator in Wormworld basis. In case one line gets destroyed somehow, so, you still get power. Oh, like that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's fair. Yeah, okay. I understand now. Okay, I'll just choose that one. Give me... Here. Okay. You need to generate the remaining files from the project with Unreal Engine's Generate Visual Studio Project Files tool. Another tool. Cool. Windows File Explorer, right-click on the... Wait, we had Explorer here, right? Yeah. On the new project file in your starter project folder. This one, I think it was. Let me just double check. Yeah. Okay. Windows 11 might have buried it within the More Options submenu. Well, I don't have Windows 11, so great. This option appears for you and runs without error. Skip down to next section. This option errors, check out the troubleshooting section below. Seems to go well, but who knows? Am I still on Windows 3.1? Yeah. Yeah, they never told me to upgrade, so. So yeah, pretty much. Yeah. I'm also like, this is still the year 2000, right? Wait, did it? I guess it completed properly because I cannot find the thing anymore. Okay. Let's get down to the next section. Okay, project compilation. I say I can't joke. Well, sometimes. Sometimes, I suppose. Next up is compiling a project from Visual Studio. It is possible for Unreal to compile the project as well and launch. But if there are any errors, Unreal will give a very vague report as to what went wrong, and you'll have to rebuild from Visual Studio anyways to get more details. As such, it's best to always compile the editor from Visual Studio so you don't have to build a second time to see the error report. Don't go to New York next year? Oh, okay, I will. I won't, I mean. Wait, but if it's 2000, then I would be 9. So this joke doesn't check out well, I think. Okay. Open up the factory game.sln file in your project folder. Wait, this one? I keep checking just in case I'm not, like, you know, opening up something that I shouldn't. Okay. Sure. Oh. Loading project 1 of 53. Oh, okay, that was faster than I thought. Than I expected. We don't need Copilot, do we? Okay. I am going to try to put this here again. Okay. Visual Studio may tell you based on your solution, you might need to install extra components for a full development experience at the top of the Solution Explorer window. Yes. Safe to ignore this message. Alternatively, you can install the requested components to keep Visual Studio from complaining about this at the cost of additional disk space. Well, how much space does it take? And what do I get for it? Can we kill Copilot burning in a volcano? Is it? Wait, is the... I sometimes use Copilot just as a regular AI. Is it that Microsoft Copilot? Instead of like ChatGPT, basically. Yeah. But I don't use it on GitHub. Yeah, okay. Well, we'll not do that then. Once Visual Studio loads, you should see a folder tree in the Solution Explorer containing entries for engine, games, programs. Yes. Expand the games folder to reveal multiple projects. Factory game, EGS. I don't see the EGS one. Oh, this one, I suppose. 69 gigs and you get a cookie. It's 90% wrong. What? Using Copilot, just, you know, I don't know. I use it for inspiration. Hi, Mitch. Welcome in. How are you doing? Have you how many hours do you have in what was it called again? The Magic Fly game? Might over Magic. Oh, Mind Over Magic it's called. How not that many yet. I'm somehow I don't believe you. Hi Hecky, welcome in. Only 30 hours, of course. When did it come out again? Can you please put ChatGPT, Cursor, Copilot, Devin, or whatever they are called, all in the bin? Well, I do like Copilot or Chat. Well, I don't really. I don't know. I like Copilot better. I don't know. But mostly just for inspiration on, like, I don't know, just ideas. I don't use it to fact check anything or something. It's just, I like it to, you know, like, I want to, for example, I want to do it. I want to have a new hobby. Copilot, tell me what hobbies I can do. You know, like that kind of stuff. I don't know why Automod did stuff there, but yeah. Imagine ChatGPT but for code. I wouldn't know what that looks like. Well, needed is like wait, the solution contains packages with vulnerabilities. Well, I don't want to install. Let me show me which packages they are, or components. Instead of just, well, oh my goodness. JT, hi JT, hi, welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome. Hi everyone. My name's Cave. I am I suppose a variety streamer. And we're currently well, we're working on modding Satisfactory in a way that we are going to connect it to Firebot, which is the chatbot that I use, the Twitch bot, to let Ada talk in game whenever you get a follow or something like that, you know, for streamers and everything. So something like that. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it, you know, if it's something that we can make work, but we'll see. We'll see. How was your stream? How was Satisfactory? Are you having a good time still? Hope you do. Hi Fairy Queen. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? Hi GT. Welcome in everyone. Welcome. JT, you're how many streams have you because you, when I was playing Satisfactory, you were pretty new to it too, right? So how are you and how far are you at this point? Trying to rebuild your steel production. Oh, nice. Awesome. Oh my goodness.
A pitchfork? Excellent choice.
Landar! Hi Landar! Thank you so much for 27 months. Oh, hey friend, it's wonderful. It's a wonderful privilege to see you again and always appreciated. Much to miss you above all else. I wanted to be okay. You're such a beautiful, radiant light. Although anything in support to keep me shining. Landar, thank you. I appreciate you. How have you been? It's been a while. I think I feel not only for my side, but also like then again, I can imagine, like, well, so I don't spend a lot of time on Twitch, on the platform as a viewer. I don't spend a lot of time as a viewer, is what I wanted to say, right now. So, but it's good to see you, Landar. Thank you so much for 27 months. Enjoy after you're watching, enjoy your emotes. Thank you so much. It's good to see you. Just sipping and being jelly of other people's factories. Right. You're not happy with your own Furry Queen? Or is it just I don't know. I had that too as well. Well, I still have that where I look at other people's like bases and I'm like, what? And factories, I'm like, what? I will never be able to do that. 64 hours in, nice. You just unlocked phase 3. Awesome. Hope you have a great time with it. Made a really big mistake all of a sudden. You didn't mix your drink before taking a sip. Oof. Oof. Wait, what are you drinking? You kind of get used to seeing me around in chats for a bit. Got worried when I took leave. Yeah, that's yeah. I won't be back for a while, I think. But that's because I'm working on like, you know, I need some time away from the platform. Besides, well, because I want to continue streaming, but in order to do that, I need to focus on interacting with the platform and everyone on the platform in a way that's healthy for me. And right now I'm not doing that. So like right now I'm not having like, there's not really I'm not doing it in a healthy way. So I need to figure out how to do that. But in order to do that, I need to take some time away to reflect on it. So yeah. But I'm all right, Landar, other than that. Like, it's good that I, like, now I'm actually ahead of, you know, ahead of the issue. So, yeah. Phase 4 at 155 hours. Blind running. Nice. Awesome. Crown Royal apple mixed with Pepsi. Forgot to mix this time. Not the first time. Crown Royal apple. Crown Royal apple. I don't know what that is. That's whiskey? Is it whiskey? No, wait. Yeah. Is it? I don't know it, I think. But oof. Let's hope next time you will remember. Continuing therapy, adding in some brain exercise because of some short-term memory scares, right? There's blue dancing this weekend. So look forward to oh, that's nice, Landar. I'm so glad to hear it. I'm so glad to hear that. Right, yeah. Yeah, the scares you mentioned, I've seen you talk about it in other Discords as well, a while ago at least. Proud of you for continuing to work on yourself and on your brain, and yeah. And I hope you enjoy the blues dancing this weekend. That's awesome. Make ChatGPT do that for you. Wait, do what? Mix drinks? What is short-term memory? Who am I? Oh no, wait, that's long-term memory, isn't it? Canadian whiskey, we'll have to find a new one soon. Wait, oh, right. Yeah, because of, yeah. Oh, that sucks. Does it taste like apple? I want to say green apple, but like, does it taste like apple? Yeah, thank you, Lander. Yeah, I appreciate that. I do worry that people will, you know, like that people will just, I don't know, think that I'm not interested in them, or that, I don't know. I don't know. I worry a lot about it, but that's exactly the point. That's exactly why I need to work on it. That type of anxiety is not healthy for me, and that makes me do things that makes me overdo all of those things. So that's like exactly why I need to work on things. But yeah. Did I ask? Oh yeah, that's definitely short term. Yeah. Green apple, right? Crown Royal apple Mountain Dew removes all burn, gives you apple /dew flavor. Interesting. Make ChatGPT join and engage in chats on Twitch for me. Well, didn't we say last time that we might? I mean, who knows? You might all just be ChatGPT, right? I might be ChatGPT. Who knows?
The heart is the strongest muscle.
Oh, Landar. Make it easy to carry. You're not going anywhere. I appreciate you, Landar. Thank you for the 100 bits. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that is just, I don't know. Let's see. It's a process, right? It's a process. It's good to see you, Lander. Bourbon / whiskey / scotch fiend that you haven't been able to partake in a while. New baby in the house. Don't why strings you take the first night feeding, right? Yeah.
The heart is the strongest muscle.
Someone say bit. Yes. Okay, Liz, thank you for the 1 bit. I appreciate that. Physical therapy today, right? Yeah, pancakes. Oh, pancakes. Nice. Nice. Have you already had the physical therapy, or is that probably not, right? It's probably very early for you right now. Pancakes, nice. Okay, so but I guess that we have NuGet, if that's how you pronounce it. I just want to know, like, what. I'm inclined to just say install, but I don't know how. I don't know what it will install, and I don't know. Well, and there's also updates apparently. The throne calls. Fairy Queen, thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thank you for coming along with the raid. And have a good one. It's good meeting you. Yeah, what Mitch says, Lander. What Mitch says. Mitch is good with words like that. As are you, by the way, Lander. NuGet, like the stuff in candy bars. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that either. But I suppose the yeah, well. Yeah, that, Mitch. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll just install stuff. Oh, now it will. Okay, well. Sure, we'll install it. Can't hurt, right? Except that it might take a while. It might. The throne has ejected you after the offering. Wait, what does that mean? You found a site that makes you professional with words. You can say what you want and it filters you. Wait, it's not ChatGPT, is it? CKY. You cannot say. Oh, I am intrigued. What am I up to anyway? So we're well, I'm trying. I'm trying to get to a point where where we're gonna make a mod that will make Firebot and Satisfactory communicate. So when Firebot has a message, or like channel point redemption, or maybe resub or something like that, like Ada will read that in game. Basically, is the idea of it.
A pitchfork? Excellent choice.
Hi, Miss Failures. Thank you so much for well, sorry about that. Future Boy, thank you for the gift stuff to Miss Failures. Miss Failures, thank you for showing that in chat. It's very kind of you. And Future Boy, thank you for the 12 months. That's 12 months in total, right? 12 months in total. Entering month 3 is all of the new messages that Twitch will give us for this. But thank you for that, Miss Ferris. I hope you continue to enjoy your after watching and your, what's it, the other thing, emotes. And well, what's more? Is there more? A sub batch that, well, at some point I want to update because I'm just not really happy with it. But I cannot think of anything else either. So the sub batches are just what they are, but just a bit boring maybe. Hi, Dragon Slayer. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? Yeah, me too, Lender. I hope I hope it's gonna work, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm a bit slow. But you know, it is what it is. You're gonna say it's pronounced Nieuwgaat. But then you remember that we do the letter G all wrong. What do you mean? G is the best letter. Not everyone does it that way, though. New hole? Oh, God. Oh, like that. Yeah, okay. Doing all right, Miss Flares. How are you? Must have waited for a bit. Time to rush. Alrighty, Landar. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you. It's good to see you. Good luck. And yes, good luck. And I hope that physical therapy will go well for you today. You're getting slow of the drink because of the drinks. That makes sense. That's what drinks do, right? Wait, did that actually? Okay, let me just close this for a moment. Wait, did I actually install it now? It still shows. Yeah, okay. No, that's fine. Okay. I'll close this. Manage new get packages. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. 42 updates. So this is all that we have? That like or did we install apparently? What's this? So not used all of this. Installed top level packages. Oh, I don't know, never mind. It's fine, whatever. Okay, once Visual Studio loads, you should. That's what I just read. Some of these packages are real. Some of them exist only for structure purposes. When it's time to compile your mods, you need to you only need to compile the factory game project in the games folder. Right. As such, we do not want to use the generic build solution operation that Visual Studio provides. Doing so, we'll try to run the build one time for each project item in the solution. Wasting some time to trying to build targets that won't succeed, and if there are any error messages, duplicating them many times over. Okay, I don't know what that means, but that's fine. You're getting a 9070 XD. Nice, Woody. Congrats. Awesome. Awesome. That's good news. Congratulations. What am I looking for? Not necessarily anything, I suppose. Making an interactive bot for chat that talks like Ada? No, so I want to make Firebot. So Firebot's the chatbot that I use, or Twitch bot rather, and I want to connect that one to Satisfactory. So not making a new bot, but I will make a script for Firebot to communicate. Well, I hope at least. But I'm very intimidated by all of this, so I'm not even sure if I can do it. Okay, so we're not using the build solution here, is basically what it says. Okay, good. Wait, so what did we use? Oh, right, okay. we'll get to that probably. In preparation for compiling our project, first select the development editor. Development editor solution configuration. And Win64 solution platform in the top bar. Wait, I need to make this a little bit bigger, I think. Let's close this. Win64. That's one, and what was the other one? Development editor solution configuration. This one. Selecting development editor means compiling the Unreal editor program that you'll be using to make mods. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because yeah, fair. Yeah, yeah. As long as we don't press that button, we're okay, I suppose. Yeah, I will take my time, so yeah, definitely. We'll see if we can do it. You know. It's like moral support, but you're a moron support. It's like moral support, you're a moron. You're not a moron, Vigilus. You're not. iRacing or GTA 5. Nice. Nice. Awesome. Awesome. Sounds great. But first you have an event tomorrow. Much excite. Much excite. Start the actual compile process. Find the factory game project item in the game/factory game solution explorer tree. What? Stop being annoying. Oh, also I'm doxing here. Hang on. Ish. Well, not really, but you know. But I don't know why it's skipping, or like it's, I don't know. It's fine, whatever. MH? What's MH? Okay. Right, so we hang on. You right click here and then we say build. Okay, that's what I want us to do. That's fair. Do we have to do that now? I'm not sure if they want us to do that right now. Oh, you also click on, okay, apparently, because it also indicates that we have to build it right now. Okay, that makes sense. Set a startup project, which will make the C++ debugger easier to use later if you need it. Oh, okay. Build. Oh, Monster Hunter, right. That makes sense. Oh man, it's cold. We building. Cold. Yeah, Bray, the heating isn't working well here since the outside temperatures are higher now. Because the central heating in this building is based on the outside temperature. So it's still cold. Like it's only like 17.5 degrees or something here Celsius. Which is like a bit cold. Lerv! Lerv. Lerv. Blah blah. That's what the kids say, right? When they leave for school. Performance warning. Oh. Is it still building? No, it's ready, it says. Is it? Seems like it's still building. Was warm enough there to bike home in a t-shirt. Nice. Yeah, it's like 16 degrees here outside as well, but just inside because I am on the basically on the northeast side of the building, I think. Northeast? Northwest. No, northeast. No, that wouldn't make sense then. There's not a lot of sun here that comes in. Okay, well, it seems... Come on, Snella. I'm a bit confused here, but that's all right. No, it doesn't seem done because, well, the icon here is also green, and this seems like the status bar. But you know, we'll wait, I suppose. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome in. Simlish, yeah. Love Simlish. Okay, I can make this bigger actually. Oh. Bigger, I said. Okay. It will actually... Wait. Shit. Here. Okay. Compilation will take some time. Go pet some lizard doggos while you wait. I could do that. I don't have any lizard doggos to pet right now, though. See below if you run into any issues. You'll know it's done when the little box with cubes piling into it... It's so cute. Little box with cubes piling into an icon. This one, I suppose. I suppose that is the small one there. Wait, where did I... Oh yeah, in the color bar at the bottom of Visual Studio goes away. You can monitor its progress from the output pane. Okay. Now if you build the binaries, your Unreal editor should open without any issues. Well, but we're not done yet. Dovazul? I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Yeah, what is that? What kind of language is that? Your PC is near your south wall, so that helps with the temp. Though the screen being down negates some of it. Right, that makes sense. Yeah, yeah. I actually need to I need to pee, so we're gonna do a oh, that's Dragon Speak, right? CPP, C++. Yeah, that, yeah. Wait, did I ask what it was? No, that's fine. Whatever. I need to... Well, that. I'll be back in a few. I'll leave some clips for you, and I'll run some ads to get the pre-rolls off as well, and then I'll be back soon. To the horses, right? Whoa! Not exactly what I had in mind. Driving up hills my ass, I can do that. Okay. I should really stop jinxing myself. Okay. Well. Oh, I took the I took the thing with me. What's it? Oh shit. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, oh, that's okay. Oh. T space. in peace. Oh. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean, come back. I didn't mean that. Come back. I need money. Don't I? Where do the elevators go? Oh, hey. Oh. Oh my god. And the donkey is bleeding out too. Raccoon 1 is dead. Everything is dying. Everyone is dying. Oh my god. PP is down. Great. I think it's time to start a new colony indeed. Oh no, Linda is dead too. Welcome to RimWorld, thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Who do you think you are? No! What am I doing? What am it's fine. Okay. Yeah. We're in pretty much not fine. What? Did we just wait? What? What's this? Totally normal fixed whiskey. Let's see what will happen now. Oh. Oh, now we'll go. Okay. Oh, that was. Well. Oh no! What happened? I'm just. Cannot close door. Be careful. Okay, what if... All right, back we are. Hi, Pulsari, welcome in. Hello, hello. How are you doing? It's still not done apparently. It's compiling though, so we just have to wait. So in the meantime, I will make some new tea, or not make some new tea, but put a tea bag in my tea, I suppose. Lander, welcome back. Welcome back. Well, so we're just gonna have to wait. Feeling a bit tired after work, but it is weekend now. Weekend! Yay! Early weekend. Or are you always off on Friday? Sounds awesome though. I hope the week went well for you and that you have a good weekend in front of you. Sipping on an energy drink to get some go juice in you to go for short run. Oh, nice. Awesome. Ah, 4-day work weeks. Nice. Awesome. Short run. Sounds great. Sounds great. I also use energy drinks sometimes for well, not for running these days because, well, I found that my my new running shoes aren't really great for my knees. So I'm going back to my barefoot shoes or minimalistic shoes because I haven't had any issues with those except for, well, maybe a little bit of foot pain, but that was more like something that was easily fixed, but just, you know, not running for a while. But this just, yeah, these shoes just don't really work for me. But I don't know, I like cycling a lot as well, so I'm okay with that. Best thing you picked up from the Netherlands? The four-day work weeks, you mean? Is that something? I guess a lot of people here do have 4-day work weeks. Oh, build completed. Nice. It took 10 minutes. 11 minutes almost. Moly. Okay. Cool. We got that done. Unreal Editor should now open without any issues. Some important notes for the future. After updates to SML that change the editor or your own C++ code that changes editor functionality, you must close the editor and rebuild development editor from Visual Studio for the changes to take effect. Okay, well, we just did that because we haven't actually, like, in that sense, it's great timing. But yeah, he had a contract lined up in the Netherlands, but decided to come back to Finland instead. We're able to use that as a leverage for a 4-day work week there. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Well done. Well done. Always have to, I don't know. I never really expect the taste of, oh, what's the English? What's it in English? Wait, why is there not, hang on. Why? It's a star coin, but that's so literal. I guess maybe it's just a star. Oh, well, I don't know what it is. Why can't I not just find the translation? Star mint? That sounds a bit weird. I'm realizing that English doesn't exist. It seems like it. Is it star mint? Maybe it's just a very local thing. It's mint with licorice. Well, anise, I suppose. Peppermint? No. I always thought that it was just an herb, but apparently it isn't. Licorice mint. Oh, that explains, I suppose. Licorice and everything. Star anise, yeah, yeah, something like that. It's weird. Finally done with meeting. Nice, Somewhere. Welcome back. English is 3 languages in a trench coat. Beating up other languages in alleyways and stealing their loose grammar. Oh, we were talking about English being 3 languages in a trench coat this morning with during the coffee thing here in the house. It's funny how it came up like a few times and now again. apparently it's a thing. But yeah, you're right though. Well, not sure if I'm the one to say it like that, but you know, because, well, I'm not English. Okay, wait, hang on. Okay, alpaca. I suppose it's alpaca. We'll discuss later, but I want to know what it is now. We'll take care of building shipping for you when required later, but you can still build it from Visual Studio if you want to build shipping from Visual Studio. Use the shipping configuration and build the factory game Steam or factory game EGS project instead of factory game. Okay, well, I don't know. Almost all warnings and occasionally some errors reported by the editor can be safely ignored during the build process. This section will help you decide how to proceed if you encounter errors while building. I don't think we got any errors. Did we? I feel like it was working, like building just fine. So, you know, you ship it. You're assuming it's This is Sternen Minzy? Sternen Minze? Are we Germaning this? Which the almighty knowledge of the internet says tastes of peppermint, fennel, and star anise. Though star anise just tastes like fennel to me, which tastes like licorice. Yeah, I guess that one. Yeah, so licorice mint. So yeah, I'm not sure about the fennel, but definitely star anise and peppermint. Yep. German was the first thing you found that was close to what I was mentioning. Fair. Was weird. I googled it and was like, wait, why is there not any? Why this feels like we're in the 2000s, or like, you know, the lack of knowledge here, the lack of translation here. But yeah. Okay, I guess that this is not really something we need to look at right now, because that's all troubleshooting, and I think our build was working fine. So open Unreal Editor. The Unreal Editor allows you to create new content for the game and helps build your mod. It also heavily relies on the C++ project, so make sure you don't change stuff in there unless you know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not going to change anything there. Depending on how your copy of Unreal Engine is installed, you may be able to double-click the factory game.u project file in the starter project folder to open the editor, which will directly open your project. Okay, we can do that, or can try that at least. This one. Lizard doggo. This will take a while. 45%. Let's continue to read in the meantime. This doesn't work. Well, we'll know later, I suppose. Opening the project for the first time can take a considerable amount of time as it compiles shaders. Ah, okay, well that makes sense then. You might be told that some modules were missing or built with a missing engine version. Press yes and allow it to build. This will take some time. Wait. Yeah. Okay. And will drastically increase the size of your project folder. More! Go find some more lizard doggos to pet. I will, well... We don't, well, I should maybe, well... I have another, like, dog stuffed animal that I can pet, but... if this step fails, you should go back to compile the editor from Visual Studio to find out... Oh, okay, well, that's fine. Just need to wait. Okay, then we need to familiarize ourselves with the editor. Now's a good time to familiarize yourself with the Unreal Engine editor through various other tutorials. I don't know. No, we're not going to do that. We suggest you take the Welcome to the Unreal Editor guided tutorial that the editor should be telling you about if you haven't taken or dismissed it yet. Oh. Well, if it's a written tutorial, I'm okay with that. I just don't want to watch. Also suggest the following resources: Unreal Editor interface. I suppose that this is only, we can only do something with this when this is actually done building and opening. High level overview of what each of the editor panels do. Okay. "64 actors." Oh. No, never mind. Oh, man. Oh, alpaca. It's a tool made by the modding community to make building and testing your mod more convenient. Okay. It's one of the editor plugins that comes pre-installed with the starter project. Okay, that's cool. It's very dark by default. That CKY would like that, I think. Maybe difficult to read depending on your computer settings and eye health. Okay. Okay, so next would be a packet, I suppose. But we'll need to wait for the project. Or for the Unreal Editor to actually start. Man, there's a lot of preparation that goes into this. I suppose it makes sense. I thought it would be easier, honestly, or at least simpler, but then again, I don't, yeah, well. Once under true dark theme. Wait, for what? For Visual Studio or? Or for Firebot. Wait, is it? Okay, why can you not have it? It's black on black. Oh. The CKY watch with the screen off, maybe. Oh. Oh, it did say the 64 actors thingy. Whoa. What's going on here? Okay, it says that. What did it say about that? Viewport 1 tabs such as landscape, it usually safe to ignore errors in the level viewport tab because errors displayed there are unrelated to typical mod content. Okay. Well, but I'm not even sure if, because I don't actually need to do anything in the, I'm not going to modify anything in the game itself other than trying to like make Ada speak at moments that at moments that I decide for myself. So I'm not even sure if I need the Unreal Editor for this, but you know. But I guess we'll continue just to be safe. But I don't think we need it. I think we would just need to like, I don't know. I'm Buck Black. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? Very hoy. Hi. Your backlines are disabled on your screen. On your screens. Really? Huh. Okay, so what do we do now? Let's see. We don't really need all of this. Not right now, at least. Doing some API work today? Well, I suppose at some point we want to do that, yeah. So yeah, I hope that we can but right now I'm just, yeah, so I'm just like trying to like do set up the work environment so at least, you know, become a little bit familiar with this, but we're still in the RTFM phase. What's RTFM? Read the fucking manual. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Definitely still reading that fine manual on doing dev and setup. Yeah. I'm you know, I have very basic knowledge of anything, basically. So I am currently not, you know, I'm fine. I'm not insecure about this at all. What do you mean? That's okay. I mean, you know, it's like I like learning new things. I'm just a little bit awkward about it because my ego tends to think that we need to do everything perfectly right off the bat. So, and rationally, I know that's not that's not how things work, right? But you know, it's just thank you, Bugplucked. I appreciate that. That's very kind of you to say. I hope so. Thank you, Summer. I don't know, it's just and we're just, it's a bit slow going maybe, so I'll call you Buck. Yeah, I'll call you Buck. Cool. In grad school, you had a class that made you write your own compiler in Java. Is that not great? Is that not good? Is that... Apparently it can be worse because I'm not sure what to think about that. I mean, I hear from some people that Java's great. I hear from other people that Java is bad. So, is it... Does it have to do with the language itself? Does it have to do with Java not being, you know... Oh, it is the third worst language ever created. Wait, okay, so which is the first and which is the second? The first I can sort of guess, but the second? I'm curious about. Okay, setting up a packet. I suppose that we would need to use this, so, you know, because this is for building and testing the mod. Which is just useful, I suppose. Java's a great language. Rizzy, are you... Is that... Well, you're not using Kappa, so I suppose that you're serious about that. Jews, hi Jews, fellas, folks, dudes, mates, buddies, friends, pals. All languages suck butt, but they pay well enough, so might as well. Very true. Jews, it's good to see you. How are you? Hi Mackie, hello. There are C compilers that are written in JavaScript. It's in Java, but worse. Oh, okay. Well, that actually sounds... A C compiler in JavaScript. That sounds like something... Like, why? Why would you do that? French language is probably the worst one created. I'm gonna refrain from making, like, you know, having an opinion there. For obvious reasons. Intercal is a fun worst language. Wait, what's intercal? You're good, Juice. I'm glad. I'm alright. Yeah, I'm alright. You like JavaScript? Yeah, me too. It's my main language, I suppose. Or at least, well, Java Firebot is built in TypeScript, which is JavaScript, so yeah. It's just same thing. Written a bit differently, but still. Right, I'll pack it. I really, okay, the more often I say this out loud, the more I like the name. It's a really good find, this one. Worst language, probably 1 JavaScript, 2 Ruby, 3 Java, E, PHP, E? You forgot Lua? Java's like a tank, hard to use, takes a while to start up, but can do a lot. Right, right. Intercal requires you to occasionally use the please keyword to have it compile. Oh, it's like, is that like a it's like lolcat and everything. What's the word again? Like Yeah, yeah, I guess the functional joke language is there's a esoteric. Yeah, that one. Mitch, have a good lurk. Good luck with your meeting. Sounds fun. You agree with PHP? You love JavaScript and Ruby. I don't have enough experience with Ruby, but PHP was the first language, I suppose, that sorta. I've never really understood PHP, but it was something that I tried, like back in like 2006 or 7 or something like that. I tried to do stuff with that. But I never really understood, so I just yeah, I just quit. And then I tried to, you had like these PHP forums, right? PHP BB it was called. And that's what I tried to do stuff with that. Still failed. Because I could not figure it out. I could just not figure it out. I don't know where I got, like, I don't know how I got to this point, honestly, but I'm just, yeah. Hi Turnpoint, hi, welcome in, how's it going? You were coding Perl before PHP came out because you're old, but you never managed to connect with PHP. Hate working with it, right? Yeah. We did have PHP, like, I used to, for a company that I used to work for, we used PHP there. But I was a front-end developer. I wasn't allowed to touch, well, I was sort of allowed to touch the PHP side, but not really. Which is, well. I think it was Laravel that was built in. Yeah, I think it was Laravel. Right, okay, I keep scrolling and then not actually reading. But yeah. Yeah, Laravel was okay. Like, yeah. PHP used to be a lot worse, I think. But then again, I'm not sure if I can have an opinion about something that I don't know. Then again, I feel like I cannot have an opinion about anything because, well, I don't know it. I don't know everything about it, but I don't know. I just keep falling back to JavaScript because it makes the most sense to me. But I like when at some point I would like to do more with Arduino as well, if I ever, find the courage to do so. And then you need C++, right? So, doing great. I'm glad to hear it, Turnpoint. I'm doing well, thank you. Yeah. Wikipedia/media wiki is built on PHP, so it can be that bad. Yeah. WordPress is also PHP, I think. Alpaca dev button in the main toolbar. Wait. Opening Alpaca. Okay, you know what? Let's just put this one here again. Oh. And then this one here. No. Okay. What did it say? Here. Arduinos are kind of fun. Yeah. Well, I'm not sure yet, honestly. It seems like a lot of fun. And I have a few things that I would like to try with Arduino. Just haven't, I don't know. I've played with it a bit, but not a lot to really understand the depths of it, I suppose. Rizzy. Yeah, WordPress is something, I suppose. You make your own macro keyboard with one. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Hi, Khalil. Hi, welcome in. You will be lurking. Have a good lurk. I'm doing well. I hope you are too. Just because its founder is a weirdo doesn't make the product bad. But the company of WordPress, you mean, or? Okay. Actually doing stuff is difficult. Look like an alpaca peeking out of a cardboard box. I love that they just... I just love this. Like, sometimes when I read this kind of text, I feel like I'm... Like, this is just made by ChatGPT or something. Which isn't, but like... And so... this is just like... I don't know. This makes me realize that there's humans behind this, and it's just fun. It makes me happy. Okay, next open Alpaca specific log window by clicking the 3 dots button next to the icon. Oh, this one. Okay. This information is also present in the UE output log. Will be mixed with other editor messages. Okay. Both the Alpaca dev window and log window can be dragged by their top tabs and docked as new tabs or panes in the editor for easy access later. We suggest docking the Alpaca log in the same panel as the viewport and Alpaca dev in the same panel as details. Okay, well, I need to make this bigger then, don't I? Wait, what did it say? Alpaca log in the same panel as viewport? Is this one? Well, I don't know where. What, here? That doesn't sound great. That doesn't seem great. Oh, right, WordPress, right. The product's bad too. They forgot to modernize their code somewhere along the last 20 years. I suppose that... I guess that it's a difficult thing when WordPress is so heavily used in the... like, throughout the world. I mean, I could totally be wrong there, but like, you know... It becomes difficult to just keep because WordPress is that one type of software that everyone and then their moms also use for, you know, whichever small company they have or when they're an entrepreneur or something like that. And yeah, I don't know, or maybe yeah, well, then again, that doesn't really justify... Because it's free to use, right? Isn't it? Like, the base of WordPress is free to use, I think. So how would they come up with the money to... I don't know. But then again, that's all based on assumptions that they attempt to make it better, but simply don't. But they might just not care. Who knows? Well, I'll just leave it here then. I'm not even sure how much we're going to use it. Well, it's not the same panel, is it though? Oh, maybe it is. I'll just leave it in there. Okay. Running what something in an Alpaca window does hover over it, most elements have explanatory tooltips. Explanatory, probably. Configuring a dev package and settings. Once you've opened the Alpaca dev window, head over to the... Oh man, my brain is starting to lag. Alpaca dev window. Let's open that one. packaging settings. Def packaging settings. The only target we need to modify is Windows. Oh, we should probably read first. The game client, but later you can use the other options to build for dedicated servers. Right. Okay. In order to get started building mods, you'll have to tell a packet where your game install directory is located, so you can copy mod files there for you. I'm not reading well. Hang on. Or I'm reading, but I'm not understanding, I think. Or I'm not like saving the information. Compiling. I don't know. Okay, in the Windows subheading, check the enabled box to we did that. To enable packaging for that target. Check the box next to copy to game path. To enable copying built mods, and click on the 3 dots to the right to open a directory picker. Select your root Satisfactory game installation folder. Oh, that's okay. Hi, Lee. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? I'm doing well. How are you? Hello, hello, hello. Wait, is this something that we need to do? Or is this... Okay, so we'll do that, and then this will need... It's not mod loader. Wait, where did it say we can find it? Program files, Epic Games... Okay. No? No, because we have it on Steam. Wait, where would we find it on Steam again? Does it say? Oh yeah, Steam apps, common, Satisfactory. Okay. This one. Steam apps, common, Satisfactory. Select. Okay. Update. Wait, what? Imagine installing things on... See... Wait. What do you mean? Is that wrong? Why is that wrong? Tell us, noobs, why that is wrong. Depends on how big your disk is, right? Finally check the box next to launch game type. Oh, right, found it already. A is where it's all at. Wasn't A... I don't know. No, wait, what's the floppy disk drive again? Floppy disk had like a standard drive, right? Or like standard drive letter. Oh, you just have no more space on C. It's running on less than 10 gigabytes remaining space for the last 3 years or so. Fair, yeah. Oh, that was A. Oh, okay. Right, A and B were reserved for floppy. That makes sense. Well, was A then like the big floppy disk, and B the diskette thing, like the plastic kind of thing? C for Windows, D for CD-ROM. Right. And what was E for? Hilarious. That makes so much sense now, but like I never really thought about it. E's for extra. That's what we are, right? E's for us. E eject drive. For the other disc or CD-ROM thing, right? E and then no, wait, was F? F. Wait. A stands for floppy, obviously. I thought F was, I don't know. I don't know how that was, what that looked like back in the day for me. Acceptable, better, corrupt drum. See, after I start hard drives on your PC, then follow USB drives, and K is your CD drive. You still have a CD drive, Rizzy, you're so old. Kidding. I was just checking if I have one. Well, I could install one. I just don't want one anymore. I have like a portable one, but you know. Well, I don't remember what I bought it for. Maybe it was because my parents had like I think my parents had like the old family videos and everything. They had it put on CD, and then I think I wanted to do some editing fun with like the family videos. So maybe that's why I bought it, but I'm not sure. I think it's the oldest part in this PC, in that PC from around 2014 or so. Wow. Battlefield 3? Oh, I don't remember. Is that 2012? Could be. Battlefield 3. I remember starting with Battlefield. No, wait. Battlefield. What's it called again? Hang on. So annoying. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is not going well. Hang on. The wire is stuck under the chair. There we go. It was like stuck. It wasn't like just like this chair was on it. It was just stuck between the wheels. Was I? Oh yeah, Battlefield. What was it again? Bad Company 2. That's the first Battlefield that I played, I think. ...2011 even. My goodness. Sometimes you want to get an external CD drive to play your old games, but then you remember you already have enough of a backlog. Yeah, you do. You definitely do. Was also how you wired floppy disks inside of the computer. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. You're off for your short run. Gotta go run it today. You know yourself well enough that you won't be doing it tomorrow morning. Alrighty, feel sorry. Good luck. I'm proud of you. Good luck with your run. I hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate you. Enjoy. Everything aside from the tower itself and the Blu-ray drive was changed to on this PC somewhere along the line. Right, it makes sense. Okay. Fine. Okay. What? I'm so slow. I'm sorry. We need to check that box. Choose the entry that corresponds to the game install path you provided. Steam. Yeah. This will automatically start the game for you after all packaging and copying tasks are complete. Okay. Okay. Packaging mods with a packet. Below the dev packaging settings heading are the mod list and packaging controls. These, I suppose. Right now you should see 2 items in the searchable list. Example mod. Yep. And Satisfactory mod loader. Yep. This is the list of all mods present in your project. They're listed first by friendly name and then by mod reference in parentheses. Okay. Once you've created a mod, it will appear in the list automatically. To package a single mod for testing, simply press the unpacket button next to its name in the list. So that would be this. Unpacket will compile and package your mod for you, then take actions based off of the options you selected in the dev packaging settings. If you want to package multiple mods at the same time, check the boxes to the left of their unpacket buttons and use the unpacket selected. Wait, hang on. Multiple mods at the same time, check the boxes to the left of their unpacket buttons. Oh, here, yeah. Use the unpacket selected. Right. Okay, this will first package all mods, wait for all packaging tasks to complete, then execute. Okay. Pop-up will appear, inform you that the mod is being packaged. Okay, cool. Packaging SML. Note that if you have not yet installed the Satisfactory mod loader in your game client, you can use Alpacket to build SML for you and put it in the right folder. Simply press the Alpacket button next to Satisfactory mod loader in the list. Oh, right, that's the... But we already did that, I think. That should be it. Your starter project should now be set up and ready to go. Okay, I'm overwhelmed. Starter project. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll through this for a moment. Oh, maybe not. Wait, where did the window go? Oh, here. Yeah, but this is... Oh, this is start project structure. Oh, that's actually, that's good to know. That's good practice. Okay, so, and then we get to create a simple mod, I suppose. Which would be the first thing that we do before we get to actually letting Ada talk. Or trying to make Ada talk, actually. Now that you've got your modding environment set up, let's go over what files and folders came with the starter project. Getting there? Well, hopefully. This page obviously can't cover every single file in the project, but it will describe the most important ones. The goal of this page is to provide a high-level overview of what you just downloaded and set up, teaching you about why certain files are there and what you should or shouldn't do with them. There are no directions to follow along with on this page. Feel free to explore the project in the editor and File Explorer as you read. Okay, we'll just put that to the side here. Content folder. If you open up the Unreal editor and check out a content browser, there's already quite a bit of stuff in the content folder. On disk, these files can be found in the content folder of your project. Yeah, found that. Described in the next section, these files are data-only placeholders that exist for reference purposes. Editing them is not useful. Okay, I don't know what that means. I guess that is, well, data only, so reference purposes, not like editing purposes, I suppose. Placeholder system for copyright and download size reasons. The starter project does not include the real source files for the base game's assets. Right, that makes sense. Instead, it contains placeholders for those assets. They're essentially fake as assets. That's what I read. That are in the same place as games. The real content, with some of their data filled in, but that don't have any code that makes their real counterparts work. Okay. The SML team produces these placeholders using an automated tool when the game's updated. Okay, that makes sense. You can reference base game content from your own mods. Oh, okay, that makes sense. You can use iron rods as an ingredient in your own recipes because there's an iron rod placeholder as asset present in the starter project. Okay. Placeholder generator makes the best effort to fill in fields with the correct values, but it's not always possible to do so, or the content is purposefully excluded. For example, recipe ingredients. Oops, sorry about that. Recipe ingredients and quantities will be present, while models and textures are intentionally replaced with blanks. You could open up placeholders to look at them in the window, but they won't look much like the real game assets. Okay. Here's a screenshot of the placeholder for iron rods open in the editor. Note the correct item name and description, but white cube model and white box icon. Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, that's good to know. Source folder. C++ header, source files including your project. Okay, I'm unsure what all of this means, I think. I mean, I can sort of like understand, but it's a bit abstract right now for me, I think. Okay. They're required for the editor to offer the correct game assets and classes for you to reference in your mods. Okay. Coding these files is executed by the editor in some circumstances, so the SML team will sometimes write custom patched versions to avoid editor crashes. I'm not sure what that means. But... mods folder, that's actually... Yeah. Access transformers, app packet, example mod, SML, mod editor, WY's patches. Few mods are already provided with a starter project, either as code examples for you to look at or because they are required to get the editor project working correctly. They appear in the all plugins section of the content browser. Oh, well, that's in here then. I'm not actually looking at the Unreal editor. I need to click on view options, show plugin content in a content browser to see the plugins section in the Unreal editor. Oh, right. Okay. Not sure how interested I am in this. Plugins folder. Wait, oh. Project plugins. Depending on the plugin, there may be steps or a full implementation that has been shared with us by CSS. Coffee Studios, right? Yeah. Although mods are technically also Unreal plugins. Yeah, that's okay. That's the confusion there. We keep all mods out of this folder for clarity and organization purposes. Should not need to edit these files under normal circumstances. Plugins. Okay. Config folder. Is this one? Well, there are two. No, well, there's one and then there's configs. And one config. Okay. Ready to rumble? Well, not necessarily. Editing the project's placeholder files makes no changes to the game's actual content or behaviors. Yeah, okay. In the next section, we'll walk you through creating the base plugin for your mod, then run through a couple of common modding examples to demonstrate how to get started making your own mods. I am... well... I'm not sure just how well, because we can like I'm looking at this and I'm like, well, this is probably useful for me to learn, but at the same time I'm very there's a bit of resistance because I'm like, well, I don't want to make like a custom recipe or something like that, or you know, I just want Ada to talk. But I can imagine that just going through this will definitely be useful. Just to know which, like, you know, how to set up a mod in general and compile it and everything, make it work. So then we can move on to making Ada talk. To get started, this tutorial will walk you through creating a simple mod that asks the following. The required core functions that register the mod with the game and allows its content to be added. And that's something we definitely need. A custom recipe to make one wood from 42 leaves. Okay. Lead, yes. I'm learning to mod Satisfactory. The ultimate goal is to connect Firebot and Satisfactory. And so that Ada can like read the messages, or you know, I don't know, maybe a chat message or a command or as a resub or bit messages or that kind of stuff. So that Ada can read that in game, basically. That's ultimately what I want. But in order to do that, I first need to learn about modding in general, or modding Satisfactory, I suppose. And then I also need to make, like, you know, something on Firebot's end to connect to that. But like, we'll get to that. That's the I first want to make Ada talk somehow. But yeah, I have no clue how to do that yet. Have milestone to purchase in order to unlock your custom recipe. Right. Oh yeah, that's a thing though. There should be a trigger. Usually there's a trigger. Like a milestone or something that you find in the world that like might, you know, like what are the purple orbs again? Those are they don't necessarily do, that's not necessarily a milestone, but like Ada's messages are usually triggered by something. course. I wonder if we need to. I wonder how that would work. If we would need to. If just having the events as a trigger would be enough, but you know, immersive sphere. Yeah, that one. Yeah. New item to produce flat screen TV called a dock item. Okay. A new buildable object that can be painted with a paint gun. A basic machine that consumes power and counts the number and types of items that pass through it. Okay. Yeah, but I understand what you mean, Lead. Yeah. Knowledge about 3D modeling is very helpful if you want to add new items, buildings, enemies, etc. to the game. If you have an idea for such a mod but aren't experienced with modeling, consider posting it in the... Yeah, okay, but we don't want that because we don't need any new models. Get started with the plugin setup and game world module, the entry point for your mod. Okay. We're still not getting to coding, are we? Oh man, this is big. Of course it is. Of course it's big. Get started with our mod. We'll need to make a new Unreal plugin using our packets wizard. Every mod you make should be a separate Unreal plugin. Okay. We need to talk about the concept of a mod reference before we continue because it will be referenced quite often. Mod reference is essentially a mod's unique name. So basically like Salmar the Fool or Briere or Mitch Streams or OmniShift 89. But then different mods. Mod's unique name. This mod reference will then be used in class names, file names, folder names, many other places. Okay. When you upload your mod to the Satisfactory mod repository for other people to use, you'll need to provide your mod reference there as well. Okay. Unreal plugin, also known as your mod, will need to use the mod reference as its name, and any C++ modules you write must be in a source folder with mod reference as the name. Okay. I'm starting to get overwhelmed here with information. They can contain special characters or spaces, but they can contain underscores. Okay. We would need to think about what we would need to, what we would use, what we would call it. And yours is if your mod, see your mod's display name, which can contain spaces and special characters. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Instead of the mod reference with the notable exception of mod folders on disk, log messages and file paths. Yeah. Pascal case naming conventions as each word in the mod reference starts with a capital letter and the rest are lowercase. Yeah. Can do that. Example mod, Rob's very cool mod. I don't know who Rob is, but you know, must be a very cool person making a very cool mod. SML, yeah. Mod's reference doesn't need to exactly match its display names text. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Creation. We're getting to create now? Since SML 3.0 mods are now Unreal plugins, where's the emphasis? Their loading is handled by Unreal itself. A packet contains a wizard that helps with creating the plugin files for Satisfactory mods. Okay. Okay, I've already opened the opaque dev panel. Follow the directions here to do so. I have, I think. This, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this here again. Oh, this is not great. Can we put it on top here? I don't know. To open a mod creation wizard, click the create mod button in the opaque dev kit panel. Create mod. Oh, there we go. Mod templates that the community has created will appear here. Select the blueprint only template. Okay. Wizard will also prompt you for a mod name. The name of your plugin must be your mod's mod reference. Okay, well, this will not be our actual mod, I think. Or maybe it will. But this is a tutorial, right? Oh no, this is just setting up stuff. Do they give us a name for this? What does it say here? You? Oh, author, you. Yeah, okay, fair. That makes sense. Oh, this will be the doc name. Doc. What does it say? Doc mod. We'll call it that as well, just for learning purposes, I suppose. Doc mod. Okay, I'm gonna put it back here now. It's annoying though. That the screenshots get so small. Okay. The name of your plugin must be your mod's mod reference. Yeah, okay. Well, Cave Mobster. Oh, yeah, there we go. You can use DocMod as a mod reference. When you start in your own mod, you want to create a new plugin with a mod reference on this. Yep. Optionally, okay, that's optional. Fill out the descriptor data section or leave it blank since it can be edited later. Okay. Show content directory checked. Press create mod. Okay. Look at that. We made a mod. Your new plugin should now appear in Alpaca's list of mods. Yep, that's true. Oh, actually my webcam is almost over it. But you can still just see it, I think. Yep. Click the edit button next to its listing to open the Alpaca mod properties wizard. Progress indeed. Progress indeed. You can fill out some additional details for your mod. Oh, I guess we don't really care right now. Created by, we already put our name in it, or my name. Okay. Like to give your mod an icon, not yet. Is there anything else we need to do here? I Don't have a description. Category modding. Everything seems to be the same here. Except for required on remote. That's... Oh no, wait. It's a different... It looks different here. Okay. That's alright then. Your mods files. You can find your mods files within the editor in the plugin subfolder of any content browser. Oh, brain. I need my brain just errored. I need to maybe I should just take a quick break and just let my brain just process things a little bit, because right now it's just not, it's having a hard time doing that. So I might as well just take a bathroom break and you know, do other things that I need to give my brain a little bit of a break, and I'll be back in a few. Whoa. Not exactly what I had in mind. Driving up hills my ass, I can do that. Okay. I should really stop jinxing myself. Okay. Well. Oh, I took the thing with me. What's it? Oh, shit. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, oh, that's okay. Oh. T space. No, just let me paint in peace. Oh, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean, come back. I didn't mean that. Come back. I need money. Don't I? Where do the elevators go? Oh, hey. Oh. Oh my god. And the donkey is bleeding out too. Raccoon 1 is dead. Everything is dying. Everyone is dying. Oh my god. PP is down. Great. I think it's time to start a new colony indeed. Oh no, Linda is dead too. Welcome to RimWorld, thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Who do you think you are? No! What am I doing? What am I? It's fine. Okay. Yeah. We're in pretty much not fine. What? Did we just wait? What? What's this? Totally normal fix this game. Let's see what will happen now. Oh. Oh, now we'll go. Okay. Oh, that was. Well. Oh no! Hello, welcome back. Hi, girly. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? How's Monster Hunter? I don't think I've ever seen Monster Hunter. I'm not actually sure if I've seen it. What kind of game is it again? How's it going? It's good to see you. You're wonderful. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. It's so much fun. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Thank you, Salmar. An action survival type game. Right. Oh, wait. Actually, let me just... Monster Hunter thing. Monster Hunter Wilds. Oh. Oh, it looks very cool. Awesome. Seems like a fun game for you. Yeah. Nice. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I'm glad you're enjoying it. And I'm glad you're wonderful too. I'm doing well. I am, well, my brain is a little bit fried, I think, because of all the information that I'm trying to soak up here. But other than that, I'm doing well, I think. It's, well, yeah, all things considered, I suppose. Been struggling a bit, like, you know, with mental health wise, with patterns, like, you know, stuff emotionally, like in that kind of stuff. But other than that, so like, you know, I'm just but I'm yeah, I'm spending some time away from the platform to take care of that. So yeah, what am I doing? So I am trying to connect Firebot and Satisfactory in a way that that whenever there's like a whenever there's a let's say a resub, or you know, a command or like channel point redemption or something like that comes in, that in the game, I don't know if you've like seen a bit of the gameplay that I did in Satisfactory, where Ada, like the AI was talking. AI, well, not necessarily AI, but like the robot basically, where she was talking. I want to make her talking game based on the messages that it receives from Firebot. I'm not sure if I can do, but we'll see. We'll see. You didn't know I was a Firebot dev? Yeah, I am. Yeah, you can bug me, of course. Of course. Yes. But yeah, so I figured like when I started, I was like, oh, this is fine, you know, it's easy. But of course, it's never easy. So, you know, we're trying to make it the in-game TTS do Twitch TTS, basically that. Yes, exactly. Yeah. There are a few things you want to try out, but you're struggling. What are you trying to do? I want GX. Hi, welcome in. Firebot is amazing. I'm glad you think so. Yeah, I think so too. But you know, might be slightly biased there. Who I squashed a lot of bugs, Selmar? Well, not me. I think CKY squashes a lot of bugs. Dennis, Froggy. I don't. Well, I plan on making a new thing in Firebot. Just an optional fun thing where, you know, I wanna make something to like a button in the quick action row in the dashboard to edit your stream schedule, so you don't have to do it on the site. But you know, ideas. Well, that might be something that I can like. That might be something I can do on stream as well. Actually, I create the bugs, the rest of the squad squashes them. Yeah. Maybe not as much now as I used to. I still have a good amount of activity on the repo. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I did do some bug. Well, I did also do bug creation. In 2021 or 2022 or something. It's when I did most of my work. I don't know. I don't remember. And then I just disappeared from the internet in general. Well, not necessarily. I was on I was on World of Warcraft and everything, but I made a new Discord account so that I could just avoid the life that I had on the internet before that. It was very, well, I don't know, anxiety is a thing, I suppose. And it ruled my life for a while, so yeah. For health, yeah, mental health, yeah. I had, you know, I was in a really, really bad place before I got back to streaming, like the 2 years before that, 3 years. Well, I guess 2 years, and then the last year before I got back was better. But yeah, it was definitely bad. And I know, yeah, but it's still a challenge, and it has a lot to do with, unfortunately, a lot to do with Twitch as well, and just how I approach it, my attitude towards the platform. So I have a lot to do there, a lot to learn, a lot to change in terms of patterns and everything. Lots of letting go of certain ideas and worries, or just getting through them and knowing that I won't die of it, I suppose. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, it's a scary thing. Anxiety is a problem you have to, right, Curly? It's anxiety is a very common thing in ADHD as well, right? Like, it's like our brain is just overworking, and I find that with meds or something that kind of sort of stops, and then so anxiety also just goes away a little bit. But it's definitely something that, you know, I find that with meditation, anxiety becomes a lot less, or at least it becomes a lot more approachable, I suppose. Like instead of like having anxiety make me do stuff, like avoid stuff or not like facing stuff, I see the anxiety and I'm like, oh, okay, well, I can look at this and I can maybe explore what is happening and why it's happening, and then, you know, but it's a difficult process. But Curly, feel free to DM me if you can also, like, you know, share right now what you want to do, but like you can also just DM me if you want about the stuff. Thank you, 1GX. Yeah, I suppose, yeah, it's an ongoing process, I suppose. There's a lot of courage that like lies into it, but yeah, like, yeah, I don't know, stuff. Can find your mods files within the editor in the plugin subfolder. Yeah, stuff, basically, right? I've actually been having trouble getting Twitch clips from other streamers. Yeah, that's a common that's a known problem, Curly. We have because the Twitch clips in general are broken at the moment because of a change in Twitch's API. And it is like, so there's the nightly version of Firebot, which contains all of the new stuff, basically, all of 5.64. You can download that. It's not a you know, there's continuous work on that. So like, it might be that stuff breaks. So it's not a stable version at the moment, but it does fix the Twitch clip issue. But we cannot release yet. We cannot release a new version yet because of Twitch. So it's either use nightly and you know, risk stuff breaking, which, well, with the size that you are as a streamer, I'm not sure if that's something you want. Or just you'll have to wait until the new version comes out, I suppose. Your mods were eating? Wait. Hating or another word? Or is eating a word? I'm not sure. ITs were weird because you used to work and then it stopped. Yeah, yeah. Oh, atting. Oh, like that. Yeah, okay. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, atting. Yeah. Use Sidekick for now, but you be patient. Yeah. So, wait. So Sidekick is Sidekick's working again then, right? Because I saw that like a while ago. I saw that Ultra's clips weren't working either. But I suppose that they fixed it then. They were getting angry. You know, well, it's not your fault. It's like, well, it's also not necessarily Twitch's fault. It's also not necessarily, well, it's just an unfortunate thing, I suppose. Oh, it's working. Okay, that's nice. I'm glad. Twitch with. I love that. That's a global emote. But yeah, it's a, there's a, I don't know. I don't remember what it is. There's something blocking us from releasing. Because if we would release now, then we would have to release in like 1 or 2 months too, I think. But I can remember what it is that's blocking us, so. They messed with the API. Yeah, well, yeah, but they did mention it. I think they did announce it, so. Yeah. We're gonna go to TwitchCon. I plan on it. I'm very scared though. I am very terrified of, like, I don't know, just, but yeah, I haven't bought any tickets yet. But there are so many people I want to meet, but at the same time, I'm also very worried about, like, I don't know, I just worry that people won't like me, I suppose. Or that they will, I don't know, for some reason be angry with me, or that, like, I don't know, I'm just being very egocentric there, because people don't care that much about me, I'm sure. So, but it's just, I don't know, anxiety, I suppose. But yeah, so Curly and Ultra will be there as well, and like, you guys are from like the other side of the world, right? So like, of course, like that will be the only moment that I can like meet you, unless I would go to like TwitchCon US, which I won't, but yeah. Hi DC, hi, welcome in, how's it going? How's the mod making going? Ish. I'm struggling a bit, but it's, yeah, and that's also like, you know, part of the process, right? Just a few minutes train ride. Oh, that's nice. Could also go without tickets and hang around the area. Could also do that, yeah. But I don't want to, I don't know, I don't want to annoy my partner in that sense. Like, I kind of want to, but I don't know, yeah. I'm just very scared. You've been there in Amsterdam and Rotterdam? Nice. Yeah, social anxiety, yeah. It's been like yesterday I had this, I don't know, I suppose it's a result of meditating a lot, where I was in harmony with my surroundings, I suppose, where this is a bit of a weird, and I find it a bit difficult to describe, but like my brain wasn't so active, I suppose, and not very anxious, and I was just seeing the world as it was, maybe a little bit, but maybe not, I don't know. But what I saw was how I was actually relating to all of the people around me, and how we're all suffering, and like, I don't know, just that made the social anxiety a bit better in a way, like, and suddenly that was not there, or not really, at least. And it's back now. I mean, it was a temporary state, and I was very grateful to experience it, but it's gone now. So yeah, back to social anxiety, but yeah. But it was nice to experience. Hopefully building a Discord API that will not do what you need it to. Right, what do you need it to do? You might turn up in Rotterdam, but you don't know yet because also it's social anxiety. Yeah, I figured I figured that, Bray. Yeah. Yeah, same. It's just like, and also there are so many people to meet, and I'm not sure if I would be able to meet all of them, and then I get anxious because of that, because I really want to meet everyone, and then I get like, I would get like FOMO, and then friend of yours also organized some sports stuff there. Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, it's Rotterdam. Yeah. Next year as well. You know you can boulder over there. True. Yeah. You also have maybe a place to crash then, right? If you want to go 2 days. Next year or this year? What do you mean? Oh, work, right. It returns the code with a code and session, but does not show the token until you refresh. Oh, that's annoying. It was so weird to meet people from chat that you never saw. Yeah, the only people I've met are Bloody Drongo and my cookie. They came up to the north, or to my town a while ago. Cookie came here twice, actually. I've met Cookie twice, and Drongo once. I think it was must have been after COVID. Yeah. Some are checking up without me. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You're less FOMO, more. What if the ones you didn't get to meet think you don't care enough? Oh yeah, same. Yeah, same. Oh man, so many things like what if, and then in the end, like people probably don't worry so much as much they are like, well, oh, it's so good to meet you, or oh, I'm so sad that I didn't get to meet you. Well, because it's not always our deal or our fault that we didn't get to meet. It was just like schedules didn't align, I suppose. Last time we slept on a tiny shark pillow. Wait, a tiny shark pillow? She has a pillow? Wait. Oh, that's a nice one, GX. Yeah. You wander around, maybe. If you will recognize you and you meet up for a moment. Yeah, I suppose. Yeah. 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 I'm glad at least that my partner is gonna join me. But 75 euros is a bit much. Like, it's a lot of money, but at the same time, it's worth it, I think. Oh, it's one of our emotes printed on it. Oh, that's so cool. I love that. Okay, I kind of want to read this, but my brain just doesn't do anything anymore. Within the editor in the plugin subfolder. Well, but have we found a content browser? I suppose that I just haven't found them yet. Maybe I need that one first. Hang on. Where do we content browser? There we go. There we go. That's better. We'll put that besides the log here. Okay. We're gonna make appointments to meet up for every person. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. There's streamers and there's viewers that I would like to meet. But And yeah, so in that sense, just one meetup wouldn't work, I suppose, since, well, but yeah, I don't know. There are a lot of streamers that I also want to. Drongo is also going to be there. Curly's going to be there. Ultra's going to be there. Tim is going to be there. Spoofy, Crafton, I think, as well. Bib. I hope Argy. But I think there's like an Amsterdam meetup week. A week before that. And I think a lot of people will go there and not go to TwitchCon, but I'm not sure. Some streamers will probably pick a park with a time to do community meetups, park or at a bar or just a central spot. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like, but that's more my own expectations. Is that I worry that if I organize such a thing, like my you know, like I haven't been back for very long, so I don't think there's anything I don't know. I forgot what I wanted to say. Your partner, there's a private place where viewers cannot enter. Yeah. I think that's on Friday as well, by the way, that there's a partner party or something like that. But yeah, that's not, for me, that's not relevant, of course, because yeah, well, obviously. Wait, so I guess the content browser, well, yeah. Oh, it's the day prior to the con, right? Yeah. Thank you, Blake. At PP. Partner party. It's always been PP. Partner party, partner push, partner plus program. It's always PP. Yeah, and Tim the Sorcerer, by the way. I don't know if anyone, if anyone has, for those that don't know, Tim the Sorcerer recently got partnered as well. Hi, Bigard. Hi, welcome in. How's it going? I think he was partnered on Tuesday, which is very, very, like 2 days ago. Very awesome. Very deserved. So proud of him. Yeah, so he will be at the partner party as well. So happy for him. He worked so hard for it. He worked so hard for it, and he's doing absolutely fantastic. So, you know, in case you don't, can we get a shout out for Tim, just to so everyone knows who I'm talking about? It's a lot of P's, yeah. Partner plus program push party. Ew. There's gonna be the bouncer at the PP. Oh my goodness, that would be so perfect. Thank you, Bray. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay, well, I think that this is just folders. All of a sudden you selected in the wizard or stored in your mods that you plug in file. Wait, would that be here? Everyone loves a PP bouncer, yeah. Is there, so Curly, do you know if there's any like Is that just is there, are there any, or is that something you cannot share where there's like, you know, special things going on there during the party? Enjoy your dinner, Bray. Enjoy. That's early. 5:15. Hope you enjoy. Protection patrol. Police party. I cannot think of any. Not really. Just music and networking probably then, right? Food and lots of partners, right? And drinks. Nice. Drinks and drunk. It sounds fun though. Sounds fun. Man, I didn't think that that my brain would be so fried here. Or so soon at least. 3.5 hours? Yeah. But, you know, no. Okay. Maybe it's just that I cannot seem to, like... You can find your mods files within the editor in the plugin subfolder of any content browser. Within the editor, in the plugin subfolder... Is that this? Yeah, oh, here. This one? Talking about content? On disk, the folder can be found inside your modding project folder. Oh, wait. Maybe we can find it here. Mods. DocMod. This folder is where all the assets that your mod uses will live. Okay. It's a lot of knowledge I'm soaking up. Yeah, true. It's a lot more than just installing stuff like we did the first stream. I'm also just not like Monday. I had double the dose of my meds, so like I was very easily focused, and right now I'm just not really. It's also because yesterday I had my last emotional regulation training, and it was great. It was a lot though, so I guess that also didn't really help. But yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Mental health is a difficult thing to navigate sometimes. Okay. We can create a Git repository. Yeah, we don't do that for this one, but we can do that for the actual one, which would be just, yeah, mandatory for me, honestly. Create a game world module. No sunshine without the rain. Very true. Although what I do find, and the more I meditate, the more that this becomes clear to me, is that the sunshine for me is like bright sun, heat, lots of good rainbows, lots of rainbows as well, which is funny because that requires rain, but like, you know, but lots of yay. And then the bad is like storm, hurricanes, bad. But then the more I meditate, the more that becomes just rain becomes rain, and sunshine just becomes sunshine. And it just becomes a little less hectic, a little less like strong, I suppose. Snow, ew. No snow, please. I'm glad that the spring is here. The spring? That spring is here. Let's create a starting point from which everything else gets invoked and registered. Without some point of reference, the game will never know to load your mod's content. In our case, the starting point will be a game world module. But this is not always required. Game world modules are helpers defined by Satisfactory mod loader that allow us to define new schematics. And through those schematics, items, recipes, and more. Okay. You just remember the two things. One, you know you can make a remote backup. Is there a way to do that via Google Drive? Oh, a remote backup? Wait, what do you mean by that? And then two, you wanted to do TTS responses redeem where chat can ask your little animated xenomorph questions and it responds to them via an LLM or something. You're not sure how to connect an LLM like ChatGPT or something to Firebot. I think someone made a custom script for that. Let's see. That would be in the. I think you are in the Crowbar Tools Discord, right? I think. Where is it? I believe someone made a ChatGPT plugin, or a plugin, but like a script. Where is it? ChatGPT integration. But I'm not sure about the other. Was it here? I'm not sure if anyone actually made it or wanted someone to make it. Because yeah, you would need to, like, you know, Firebot doesn't officially support that. But if someone made a custom script, I think, yeah, I from what I've seen, there was someone who made something, but I'm not sure how. I cannot say. I don't know if it's good or not. I don't know if it works properly or not. But it is there, so you could try, I suppose. But we don't officially. What's the word? I do not officially recommend it because I don't know it. Someone showed you can you can link backups to Dropbox. Right. Oh, whew. I'm not sure if you do. Was it? I don't think you can automatically, at the moment, I don't think you can automatically back up to Dropbox or something like that. But don't pin me on this. But I think that Zunderscore made a and that's in the nightly currently. I think Zunder made a custom path for it. Tim! Tim! Hi, Tim! Congrats! I'm so happy for you, dude. So happy for you, dude. How's it going? How are you feeling? You can now be part of the partner party on Friday, huh? With TwitchCon. It's good to see you. I'm so happy for you. But yeah, I'm not sure. Like, I think that Zunder made that. Like, you can make a custom path for it, and so you can like make it like refer to your Dropbox. Yeah, or because I don't think, because currently it's set to app data, and I don't think you can add app data as a Dropbox folder. But don't pin me on that either, because I'm not sure how that works. I haven't really looked at that. So those would be the options. But yeah. Let's see. But yeah, that's something you can, I don't know. You're welcome, Curly. Feel free to DM me if you need to know more stuff. Or if if you're struggling with other stuff in any way. You've no idea what that will be like. It will be fun, I'm sure. Unless you'll be you might, maybe you'll just, unless you're just a bouncer, then you'll have you might just only bounce, and well, I was trying to make a joke there, but I failed. So but I'm so happy for you, man. How was your I wasn't there, unfortunately, but how was your partner party on stream? Did you have a good time? Going to a party full of strangers sounds like a lot, right? Yeah, definitely. Most recent partner has to do the dishes, you heard. Careful there, Salmar. Because what happens to the most recent mod, huh? Same as usual, right? You're excited to see Hallie and Spoofy tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Oh, Spoofy is, of course. Oh, Spoofy is in London because Spoofy is going to the Movember Awards, right? Oh, that's cool. Awesome. Nice. So glad to see you meet up. Awesome. Being intern forever, yeah. I'm all right, Tim. I think. I'm well. Right now I'm a bit tired. I'm actually. I was trying to do modding, but like I'm not. I'm not getting any further at the moment. But yeah. Now, other than that, I'm just working on stuff and through stuff, and yeah. I will. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. I will let you know. Well, that is if I get it to work, it might take a long while for it to work, but we'll see. I'm not very confident in myself right now, so I'm not sure. It's a bit overwhelming. Hi, Alex. Hi. It's going well. How are you? Forever until the next new mod. Yeah. Yeah. Well. That's I'm not even sure if that's gonna happen. Because I don't think we need any new mods at the moment. Okay, so yeah, we need to create a new game world module. There are helpers defined by Satisfactory mod loader that allow us to define new schematics, and through those schematics items recipes and more. So I don't know actually what that means. It sounds a bit abstract to me at the moment. Within your mods content folder, right click in empty space, content folder. This one. No, I don't need to I shouldn't do that here, right? What, is that this one? Do they mean this one? I don't think they do, right? Or is it just this one? I'm very confused by the content browser, I must say. Oh, your dad is there. Nice. You're watching a movie. Glad. Sounds good. I hope you're having a good time, Alex. Thank you for stopping by. Who knows what the future will hold? True. Maybe it might even be that I need to remove mods because, well, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I will never. I don't know. The future is the future, man. The future is such a weird concept. It's so unpredictable. Where do I go? So this is a content. This is all game. I'm not sure if I'm in the right content folder here. Your mods content folder, but I'm not sure if that is this one. I guess not, because it should be empty. Alrighty, Alex. Thank you for hanging out. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so here's mods. Wait. Okay. Mod loader. This is so confusing, man. So confusing. Mod loader, mods, doc mod, content. Okay, so it's within the mod loader thing. This just doesn't make sense to me. Factory game. No, wait, this is factory game. Is that... Oh my god! I don't understand. Should it be empty? Yeah, I think it should. It's just this content browser just doesn't make sense to me, but we do need it. But I think this is the wrong content folder. Because it says factory game. Wasn't there... Seen it before. Where was that? See, this is where I... Mod loader. Mods. No. Where did I find that? We built factory game. Factory game is the mod loader thing. Factory game. Okay. So that means that. What does that mean? And content? That's that one. Okay. Okay. That's that folder. C++ classes doesn't show up here. Plugins. Does that match? Doesn't really match, I think. Okay, open Explorer from the content browser. Oh, that's... No. Doesn't seem like it. This is only in a new content browser. No, it doesn't... Reference viewer? Oh, no, nope. Too big. What? Okay, maybe I just... skip that part. Inside the editor, you can find your mod in the your mod reference content subfolder of the content browser root folder. The root folder, that's this. You can find your mod in the your mod reference content. I've seen that. So it is this one. It's just very confusing. But I guess that they mean this one. No, wait, that's just this. You might need to click on View Options, Show Plugin Content. View Options. I'll just make this bigger. Show plugin content. I've done that. So I guess that what they mean with within your mods content folder, I guess that they mean this one then. Let's try it in that content folder and go from there. Yeah, I suppose that that's what we're gonna need to do. Oof, oof. Yeah, brain. Create basic asset. Right. Okay, found that. What did it say? Click the triangle to close the... Fine, we'll put it here, back here. Keep my mind explode. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I guess that, like, I don't know. I sometimes get a bit insecure about that, but that's also a process. A process indeed. Oh, blueprint class. Click the triangle to close the common classes section. Click the other triangle to expand all classes. Okay, start typing game world module. That one, I suppose. To the search box once it comes up, select it and press the green select button to create the blueprint. Okay, this one, select. Windows key Z. Oh, mine doesn't, it seems. Strange. That's all right. Okay. Found that. It was blue on my end though, not green. All right. Okay, we have to name it this. We can copy that. No, well, your reference mod here is not what we... This is how tired I am. Yeah, I know. This is not how we want to do it. Hang on, just rename root game or doc mod. Oh, contains invalid data. At least one module of this type was found in this mod, but none were marked as root. Prefix root doesn't do anything on its own, but it helps identify it if you decide to add more game world modules later. By giving it a name that includes the mod reference, it becomes easier to identify crash logs. Helps you to tell the modules of different mods apart in it. Okay. Well, did I not? I just set it to root, right? Didn't I? How would I do that? The warning in the guide? Oh, there was a warning in the guide? Oh, here. Oh. Yeah, okay, hang on. Let me just remove this and add it again. game module. I forgot to. No, wait, I didn't. Oh, that's weird. I'm just. We might need to continue this later. Blueprint details field. Where do we find that? Not in edit mode, I suppose. Well, maybe. Details. Oh, here. Hang on. Click that. Doesn't allow it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wait, did that save? Yeah, it did. Okay. Good. Good. Right, Summer, you're paying better attention than I am. Actually, I think we're actually gonna end the stream here as well because I'm just fried. My brain is just fried. So we're gonna end it here, and then we're gonna and then we're gonna continue on Monday. Yeah. I find that these streams are a lot harder than or like dev streams are a lot more taxing on my brain than game like see then well other things I suppose. So yeah, sorry about this. Yeah, I cannot even talk anymore. So this is where we'll end it. We're gonna find someone to raid. And then we're gonna continue on Monday, and then and maybe at some point I will find another game that I will enjoy playing, so we can because I feel like it would be nice for me to just do this once a week and then do other stuff the rest of the week. But I would need to find a game that I would enjoy playing, and I'm not currently there, so that's a bit difficult. Almost like coding and figuring all this out takes a lot more effort. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Yep. It does. It does. Oh, it's Red's birthday? It's Red's birthday. Red's bonkers birthday bash. So we're obviously gonna say hi to Red. Red Weird. He's currently in a break though. But that's okay because that's it will take the ads are running at the moment. Oh yeah, they're actually running for me at the moment as well. But that's okay because it will take us a minute to get there. So yeah. Constant process this. But we're gonna continue on Monday. Monday it might be modding, but maybe I found I'll have found a game to play then, but I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll just I'll just need to stop overthinking and just play a game and see if it works, and if it doesn't, then we'll just continue to the next game until we find a game that we actually enjoy. So that might also be a thing. I tend to overthink to a point where I just where I just get stuck. So yeah, I might have to like, you know, just be courageous and just do stuff. Or courageous, just you know, stop overthinking things, basically. But thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out, for lurking and for chatting. Mods, thank you for all that you do, of course, and thanks for the follows, thanks for the subs, for the bits, for all of the love, for the raid as well, and yeah, I don't know, yeah, well, that not gonna, well, thanks. I'm currently I'm currently starting. I'm starting to overthink right now. Like, so that's yeah. Festig, hi and bye. You too. You too. It's good to see you. Red Weird. The ads are over. He's playing a retro game. What is it? It seems familiar. I don't know what it is, but it's a retro game. It looks very fun. Red is a lovely streamer. He's very good at what he does. He's a weirdo, but that's like, you know, that's his brand, right? But he's very sweet. He's very funny. He's just very enjoyable to hang out with. So we're gonna go there. Yeah, copy the rate message that you would like to use there, and then autosave. Oh, save. And then this is our target. There we go. Is there anything else? Loving birthday wishes, yes. Let's use Salmar's Salmar's message there. Loving birthday wishes. Happy birthday, Red. Because it is his birthday. So, I'm just lingering here. Everyone, have a great day, have a great night, have a fantastic rest of your time zone. Thank you all so much for being here, and we'll see each other on Monday. Hopefully, if nothing goes wrong. Yeah. Goodbye, everyone.